You can do the eyebrows with pencil or brush and kajal. You can try out eyeliners because these kids are not going to dance a lot where you sweat a lot. So you can go for waterproof eyeliners and eye pencils. But right now I am doing with brush and the kajal. Base, whatever is good for you, you can go for the base. The concealer or the powder or stick, whatever is good for your kids' skin, just utilize them. Use the proper color. If the skin is dark color, don't try to put white color. Try to put something matches with that. And then after that, you can work on the eyebrows, eyes and the lips. Eyebrows, you start from here. And then spread. That's it. She is done. What I am trying to do is, she has little gap here, so I am filling that up and then making it long, little long here, and then I am trying to merge everything together. Always when you do makeup, the eyebrows are supposed to be little lighter than your eyes. Eyes are supposed to be dark in color. Now we are going to do with her eyes. As I'm starting from here. Start. Put the outline first and then fill. And then make a line from here straight like this towards your eyebrows. Paichu. Look up. Now the same thing again. Start from here. Make a line, outline first, and then merge it with the upper line. And then now fill it. Now I see little gaps here, so I am trying to fill these gaps. With eyeliner you may not see spreading up here, but if you are doing with kajal, put little bit of powder and then you can apply. Now I see little gap here, so I am filling it. And here also I see a little bit of gap, so I am trying to fill this part. So that is how you make eyes. And then now we will do lips. Lipstick you can go for any dark red color. She already has shape here, so I don't have make any shape. But just in case if you have flat lips like this and you don't have shape, you need to make shape like this and then fill the rest of the thing. And if you have bigger lips, try to cut it from here. But if you have proper lip size, you can do it proportionately. Smile. Ask your child to smile and then spread the lipstick. No teeth, only stretching your lips. And then let's work on her bindi.